Kia ora e te whānau, welcome to Starting in Te Reo Māori. My name is Grant Whitbourne. I'm here to help you get started on the journey into Te Reo Māori. Now today, just got the guitar here, that we play a quick little waiata. It's a really good one for the kids, so let's get into it. E toru ngā mea nunui, e ki ana te pai pera, whakapono tūmanako, o te mea nui, ko te aroha. Really short one, really simple one for the kids. It's actually a Bible song. Jump online and check it out. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the little ring-a-ling-ding bell button as well. That'll give you a notification every time a new video comes online.